Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So as we know, soundbars have become priority nowadays for latest televisions, for OLEDs, LCDs, LEDs and so on. Due to the slim design of televisions launched now, the sound quality of the television are very low. So we need a better bass and treble from the output. So soundbar provides exactly that. So we need an additional soundbar attached to television to get good quality experience for 3D movies and pictures and games as well. So we look for a soundbar. Let's now talk about the main feature of soundbar. Soundbar is having a sound with 120 watts RMS and subwoofer, sleek design with premium finish, new movies, 3D modes, 2.1 channel surround sound, multiple connectivity USB optic aux, remote HDMI and Bluetooth, easy access soundbar controls and HDMI ARC. So in this video we are going to unbox the Boat AAvante soundbar. It's a budget soundbar from a company called Boat and it provides value for money. It's available in Amazon at 8,999 rupees and in a flash deal it's available for 7,999 rupees. So you can buy the soundbar in the link in the description below. First of all, we have a packet which contains the warranty information, the remote and the battery. We get an AUX cable within the box. Let's talk about the ports in soundbar. The soundbar is having an AUX port, an optical input and an HDMI ARC port and also a port for continuous subwoofer at the back. Let's now check the live audio quality of soundbar by playing a track. The links to buy soundbar is given in the description below. You can buy it through Amazon in a discounted price. Thanks for watching this video and bye bye now.